Good afternoon, sir. My name is Jake Lawrence L. Altarejos. I'm 20 years old, and my nickname is, as you know, I think you know, my name is Lance. That's my nickname. And I'm from Masbate, Bicol region, Masbate City. That's where I live really. And my favorite dish, I should say, is fried chicken and chicken joy sa Jollibee, ang paborito kong pagkain. What is the best thing that ever happened to you? I think studying in LaSalle Green Hills is the best thing that ever happened to me because it helped me adapt on how to socialize here in Manila better. Because when I first came here sa Manila, di ako marunong makipag-interact. Bakit? Kasi di ko pa sure kung ano yung ugali nila, ganun. So, di ako sanay kasi di ba iba yung ugali pag sa probinsya galing and biglang lipat sa city. So, yeah. What are your expectations from our class? Well, so far I learned a lot naman na sa Culisis on how to use yung sa mga master data and yung sa recipes. So, yes. What do you expect to learn from me? Well, I expect to learn how to use it properly better. Kung paano magamit yung lahat. So, I always tend to ask questions sa'yo kung anong gagawin. How do you want our subject to be one of the most amazing... How do you want our subject to be one of the most amazing learning experiences for you? You have one question you want to ask for. One of the most amazing learning experiences. Well, syempre, since you're our teacher and quite frankly, I like you as our teacher because my vibe, medyo pasaway, parang, sorry sa language, pero medyo parang, kupal yung mga mahilig mag-joke. So, yun, mas nagiging fun yung experience ng class dahil dun. We have one question you want to ask your professor. So, di naman kailangan siguro, di ba? Gusto ko lang tanong kung marami ka ba jowa, sir? Yun lang. Thank you.